there, I'm going to walk you through how to assemble one of the chicken blocks in the Quilty Chicks book. You'll make all of your body parts and then come to these layout instructions. Before you put the chicken together, you'll make one of these center 6-inch blocks. So we're just going to use this block as my 6-inch block, and it can stand in for any of the 6-inch blocks in this pattern. So the different body parts you've made are the beak wattle unit, or just the beak unit, your legs, the breast unit, the rear unit, the back and tail unit, and then you have these extra 6.5 by 1.5 inch strips and your comb units. There's 3 different comb options in the Quilty Chick pattern. This is comb number 2. So let me show you how you lay it out. You're just gonna refer to this layout, and the first thing you'll want to do is work from the middle out. You'll put your quilt block down, and then you'll put your strips on either side. You're going to sew, the first step is to sew these strips onto the block. Next, you're going to add on the rear unit. Now notice there's 2 different rear units, one for the left facing and one for the right facing. So you'll sew the strips on, press, sew the rear on, press, and then sew this back unit on, starting to come together. Neck, tail, they're the same, so you can use either piece for either chicken. After you sew that on, you're going to take the correct left facing breast head piece and sew it onto there. So we've got our block, the strips, press, the rear, press, the neck and back, press, sew on the breast unit, and then press. And setting the seams will help press these things open, where you just put the iron down while pretend we've sewn this together, and I'd iron it, just press, press while they're still together, open it, press, press, press. All right, so we've got that, and then you'll pick the left or right facing legs, sew those onto the bottom, pick the correct comb, and sew that onto the top. I hope that helps with figuring out how to put the chicken together. Remember, you can use any comb, any beak. The first 2 blocks are going to be beak only, no wattle, and this block can be any of your interior quilt blocks. But I'm going to take a minute and fast forward through the layout for the right facing chicken. It's the same thing, just opposite. So we'll take all this away. Good luck, I can't wait to see all your blocks.